Okay, put Pam on there. Taken out of their packaging and washed. They were thawed out, of course, ahead of time. And the oven has reached its temperature already. So now you're putting about how much butter in there?
Probably about a tablespoon.
About a tablespoonful of butter.
Underneath there.
Okay, underneath that part.
And then we're sprinkling solder.
Okay, what'd you do?
Sprinkled it with lemon pepper seasoning and a pat of butter, about a tablespoon of butter underneath the skin. And now we're just gonna wrap it up in foil.
And just wrap it up in foil and put it in the oven for how long? And at what temperature?
We're gonna go with 350 for about 50 minutes to an hour. And that one's ready.
350 degrees for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or however long it takes to be done. Okay, you spray a little bit of Pam. You could use some other type of shortening or whatever it is you want to do. Make sure it doesn't stick. You take the Cornish hen that's already thawed out. It's already been cleaned up, rinsed off. Put that right there. You take a slab of butter, usually an ounce or so. Put that underneath the skin. Then here, you take your seasoning, whatever it may be. We use lemon pepper seasoning. Use whatever it is you want. You take this aluminum foil. Roll it down, fold the ends up. You place that in the oven with the rest of the birds, the Cornish hens, 350 degrees for 45 minutes to an hour, or however long it takes to cook, depending upon where you're at. Since we have a large gathering tonight, this is 10 premium Cornish hens that are going to be cooked. Preheated oven, 350 degrees. There you go. Set your timer. Watch the clock. Checking the hens. A lot of juice in there. Oh yeah. Here's a tip for everybody. Don't use so much aluminum foil like I did. It's way too much. Oh well. Hey, looks good. Okay, what are you looking for?
Open them up so they can
Go ahead and brown.
Yeah.
Then you, of course, you temp everything. What temp are we looking for?
About 160, 170,
About 165,
no, 170.
170 on the Cornish hens.
Yeah.
Okay. Boy, that's a lot of foil. That's not funny. I'm sorry. Okay. Wife's correcting my mistakes. Way too much aluminum foil. It was wasteful. I apologize. So this is a good tip. Make sure you know what you're doing before you start it. Okay.